Heidelberg Goes Digital continues to pick up speed. The corporate strategy announced by Heidelberg during the annual press conference 2016-17 has in the meantime also had positive effects on the Wiesloch-Walldorf site through numerous new projects. These include, for example, the series production of the Gallus Labelfire digital label printing press, as well as the Primefire 106 digital printing press presented at Drupa, which has also already gone into series production and is enjoying high demand. The Primefire is a real revolution for packaging printing. With this press, you can now manufacture customized cartons in very short runs. We think we've really hit the nail on the head with it. The goal is to harness growth potential for a profitable future. Digital print production, which can also offer customized products, offers this possibility. Of course, this meets the needs of the packaging market, but it's about more than that. It's essentially about using this digital transformation to occupy growth segments and to conquer new market opportunities through new business models. We have a lot of projects running and have also already completed some of them. In 2016 at the trade fair, we sent a very clear signal to the print industry with the big story of the smart print shop and the philosophy of push to stop in integrated printing presses. And we've also developed digital printing presses for the packaging industry and for label printing that are on the market today and already in use by customers. A very different growth segment is electric mobility. Heidelberg develops and produces the electronic control system for its printing presses itself. As part of a technology transfer, it has now developed a charger for electric cars. The wall box is installed in the home garage or carport and meets the needs of typical electric car users. In the software and engineering segments in particular, Heidelberg supports startups and e-commerce companies with 4.0 applications. This approach can be seen, for example, in the 3D printer of Karlsruhe-based startup Appium. Appium benefits from Heidelberg expertise and production capacities at the Wiesloch-Walldorf site. Using Heidelberg's View2Connect software, the product is developed further at optimal cost and then also produced at the site. Heidelberg is already including its trainees in this project so that the company can acquire the necessary know-how. Heidelberg also uses View2Connect in its own assembly planning. The software shows what needs to be assembled as well as where and how in a three-dimensional representation. Heidelberg goes digital. The transformation can be seen in very different places in the company and at the Wiesloch site. Production is already integrated into digital business models and processes in the classic sense. Data flows automatically from development into production, and this world continues to grow. For example, today we're also selling a digitized PLM process to other companies. We produce several 3D printers, for example, for Appium or for Big Rep here at the site using their data. And we're investing quite heavily here in an innovation center to further drive these innovations with our development division and thus secure the future for Heidelberg. The Research and Development Division also has its role to play in preparing the company for the future. A new innovation center is currently being developed in Hall 10 at the Wiesloch-Walldorf site. Some of the laboratories are already complete. The former assembly hall will be completely rebuilt in the near future and will also bring those Heidelberg employees still working in this division to Wiesloch-Walldorf. Another milestone is the establishment of new digital business models in the company's core business. Under the new subscription business model, the customer no longer purchases printing presses, instead they pay for the productivity provided by Heidelberg. It's very easy to summarize for the customer. They get a full service package comprising press, service, and consumables at a precisely calculated price. At a price per sheet. As part of our offer, we also help the customer to boost their productivity from this level to this level. The Heidelberg assistant presented at Drupa 2016 also plays a major role in this business model by placing the customer-supplier relationship on a completely new footing in terms of transparency and performance monitoring. Digitization is having a significant impact on the print industry, and with digital transformation, Heidelberg wants to help its customers and, of course, itself to play a formative role in the future. Heidelberg Goes Digital goes hand in hand with our mission to once again be the high-growth and profitable beacon of the industry and of machine construction. Implementation is proceeding as planned and heralds a new era of growth for Heidelberg.